and welcome. My name is Susanto Arwan, co-founder and head of engineering for Xage. A few years ago, I saw growing trends in the darknet to attack IoT devices. I realized the importance to secure access to devices in a distributed manner. Xage is a cybersecurity company, the leader in Zero Trust for real-world operations. Zero Trust is a security approach to secure an organization by validating every interaction between users, devices, applications, and data. Implicit trust, for instance, trusting someone just because they have network access, is avoided. We deliver Zero Trust using the Xage Fabric, a cyber-resilient mesh with continuous local operations and no single point to attack. Xage has a great team with highly collaborative environment where open debates, transparency, merit-based ideas, and work hard, play hard mentality are valued. Top 3 things: cycling, barbecue, and Thursday game night.
Hey, my name is Philip Stevens. I'm a software engineer here at Xage, and the top 3 fun things I love about working here are quarterly potluck dinners, our weekly gravel rides, and the camaraderie I feel across the whole engineering team.
My name is Van Phan. I'm a senior developer at Xage. My top 3 things: team lunch, snacks, the diversity, and the quality of the people at Xage.
Hey, my name is Ryan, and I'm a senior engineer here at Xage. My top 3 favorite things about working here: 1, sharing a good laugh with my teammates while working on interesting problems. 2, hitting up the local boba joint and getting some of that delicious popcorn chicken. And 3, the delicious and healthy snacks we have.
Please join us in our mission to secure critical infrastructures. Thank you.